Wildlife corridors provide essential connectivity, protecting and sustaining the many rare and threatened species of the Daintree. Buying back parcels of rainforest land that are currently in private hands to create wildlife corridors is an effective way to protect rainforest and to support nature. Can you help to buy and protect not one, but 2 properties? Lots 11 and 12, Forest Creek. These additions will help extend and enhance the Rainforest Rescue Nature Refuge and Forest Creek Wildlife Corridor, bringing the total number of protected properties in this corridor to 11, and across the Daintree, 42. Purchasing these lots will protect essential habitat for the benefit of the rare and threatened species that live in this area, like the southern cassowary and Bennett tree kangaroo. Collectively, when we buy and protect precious parcels like lots 11 and 12, we can help save the rainforests we love and protect them forever, supporting the rare flora and fauna of the Daintree. Small local acts can have global impacts. You can make a real and powerful difference today. Please, donate now. Thank you.